The Midea U-shaped window air conditioner is one of the most thoughtfully engineered solutions in home cooling, delivering performance, efficiency, and peace. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this air conditioner in the description below at the latest price. What sets this unit apart is its unique U-shaped design, which physically separates the noisy compressor section outside the window from the indoor air delivery system. This structural innovation significantly cuts down noise, with the unit operating as quietly as 32 decibels, about as soft as a whisper, ideal for bedrooms, offices, or any place you value serenity. With a powerful 8,000 BTU cooling capacity and a 5-star energy rating, the Midea U not only delivers fast and consistent cooling but does so with over 35% more efficiency than standard models. Thanks to advanced DC inverter technology, it consumes less power and saves you money month after month. It's also the first window AC to earn an official Energy Star certification, making it a top choice for eco-conscious consumers. The air conditioner uses R32 refrigerant, a more environmentally friendly option, further reducing your carbon footprint while delivering strong cooling performance. Functionality meets modern convenience with smart connectivity features built in. You can control the Midea U from anywhere using the SmartHome app on your smartphone or integrate it seamlessly with Alexa or Google Assistant for voice control. Whether you're away from home or simply on the couch, adjusting the temperature is as simple as a tap or a voice command. Installation is designed to be intuitive with a robust quick snap bracket that accommodates windows 22 to 36 inches wide and at least 13.75 inches high. This design even allows you to open your window while the AC is installed, a rare and thoughtful feature that brings in fresh air and helps preserve your outside view. With clean white styling, an efficient airflow rate of up to 215 CFM, and a host of intelligent design choices, the Midea MAW08V1QWT U-shaped air conditioner is an industry standout. Whether you prioritize silence, efficiency, or smart home compatibility, this unit checks all the boxes while elevating your comfort with minimal disruption.